Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see what is OWASP and how we can install it and set up OWASP in our virtual machine. So as you know that hacking someone is completely illegal without his or her permission. So researchers came up with the idea to develop a web application where hackers can test their hacking abilities, and this web application is completely vulnerable, so it is highly recommended to have this web application in a virtual environment so that your host machine or your main machine will not get compromised or will not have any virus. So for that we are going to search on Google OWASP download. Here you can see one SourceForge link, just click on that. Now click on this download button. So this web application is around 1.7 GB. It will take some time to download. As you can see, our download is started. As I have already downloaded, so I will cancel this. And in my downloads, I have this zip file. So you can unzip this file. Let me just create a new folder on desktop. I will unzip this OWASP file in that. It will take some time to unzip the OWASP zip file. I have skipped some installation process for you, but it took me around 2 minutes to unzip this file. Now in the desktop I have OWASP folder. And inside that we have our OWASP vulnerable web application. Now what I am going to do is I am going to open my VMware virtual machine. Here I am going to click on open a virtual machine, and now I will select that OWASP unzipped file. In desktop we have this OWASP, and here is our OWASP file. From here select this OWASP broken web apps.vmx. Click on open. Here you can see one new virtual machine is generated. This is our OWASP virtual machine. Click on play virtual machine, or you can change the RAM that is provided to this machine. Currently 1 GB RAM is provided. That is enough. So click on play virtual machine. This virtual machine might have been moved or copied. So here you can just click on I copied it. Now it will automatically do all the stuffs for you, that is the requirement that needs for this virtual machine and this web application to run, like SQL database and all. Here you can just type the default username and password. Default username you can see here in the above line. Username is root and password is OWASP-BWA. Now our OWASP virtual machine is running. What we need to do is we need to check the IP address of this ifconfig. Here we can see our IP address is 192.168.126.139. Now I am going to open my Kali. Here I will open the browser. Here I will type that IP address. Here you can see our OWASP web application is running. In one of the previous video, I have explained you how to install and set up DVWA, that is Damn Vulnerable Web Application. It is similar to that, but it has more features than DVWA, and even you can find that DVWA in this also. Here we have Damn Vulnerable Web Application. If we click on this, we have that same web application. We can use admin and password is admin. This DVWA is same to that which we learned in the previous videos, and it provides a lot more web applications that we can test for the vulnerabilities. All these web applications are highly vulnerable, so it is recommended not to have it in our host machine or the main machine. That's why it is recommended to use it in a virtual machine. Here you can find various web applications which provides different features to test your hacking skills, such as here we have this WebGoat. Here we can see Wacko Pico. Here if you want, you can check your hacking skills, such as brute forcing this login page. About brute force we will see in the upcoming videos. In that I will explain you how we can brute force these login pages of social networking sites and all. And in all these web applications you can also choose the security status from low, medium and high. Here we can see we have security status low, medium and high. If you are a beginner, you can just simply choose low, and if you have some hacking skills, then you can go for medium and high. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section.